In this video, I'm going to show you the latest update to GrowthWheel Online that helps avoid duplicated clients in your CRM system. We know that sometimes clients end up completing multiple forms when requesting counseling or registering for training sessions, leading to duplicates in the system. With this recent update, the intake forms in GrowthWheel Online will recognize if users are already registered. This means users won't have to fill out their information again, making the process smoother and more efficient. Clients will still be able to see who their point of contact is in case they need to reach out, ensuring that they have the advisor support they need. As a business advisor, you'll receive an email notification every time a new or existing client submits an intake form, whether it's for a counseling request or a training registration. This keeps you informed and up to date with client activities. If any of your existing counseling clients register using the training intake form, they will remain in their current client list. This ensures that your counseling and training only clients are not mixed up, keeping your records organized. And if a training only client registers for counseling, they will automatically be transferred from the training menu to the pre-client tab. This allows an advisor to contact them about their counseling request efficiently. Advisors can contact clients directly after they've submitted their intake forms, facilitating better communication and service. We hope this feature update makes it easier for clients to register for counseling or training without creating any duplicates or completing multiple intake forms. Thanks for watching.